Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. I have not been posting videos for few months, but now I am back. Our name is now Factra and our logo and banner is also changed. Firstly, comment below and tell us how it is. Before starting the video, I would recommend to you like and share the video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest notifications. So come to the point. Our today's video is related to Argentina, officially known as Argentine Republic. It is surrounded by Chile, Bolivia, Paraguay, Brazil, and Uruguay, and the Atlantic Ocean. It got its name from Venetian navigators. Argentina was a great source of silver at that time. In Latin, Argenta means silver. This got Argentina its name. In today's time, Argentina is one of the leading producer of silver in the world. Fact number 15. The Argentina football is one of the greatest football teams in the world. This team has given rise to legends like Diego Maradona, Lionel Messi, etc. Lionel Messi is today number one football player in the world. This team played its first match against Uruguay on 16th of May 1901. This team have won two World Cups, the one in 1978 and other in 1986, and nine Copa America titles. Fact number 14. Lionel Messi was born in Rosario, a city in Argentina. In 2014, a child was named Messi Varela. The law was passed to ensure that nobody can use the name Messi as his first name. Fact number 13. In 2012, a team of researchers found a fossil of a dinosaur that was the longest ever to walk on Earth in Patagonia, Argentina. This fossil is the largest Titanosaurus to be found. This dinosaur has been dated back to 98 million years ago. Titanosaurs were herbivores and did not worry about carnivores due to their size. Fact number 12. The first documented person born on the continent of Antarctica was of Argentina origin. His name was Emilio Marcos Palma. Emilio was born to George Palma, head of Argentina Army at base, and Silvia Morela de Palma, who was staying with her husband. He was born on 7th of January 1978. Fact number 11. Ran Geronimo Favellaro was an Argentine cardiac surgeon and is credited of inventing coronary artery bypass surgery. It was first performed in US on 2nd May 1960. Fact number 10. There's a tradition in Argentina that a person should eat gnocchi on 29th of every month and slip some money beneath the plate. Brings you a lot of good luck. This video deserves a like on this great fact. Please like. Fact number 9. Argentina has one of the largest crew of psychologists in the world, with around 198 psychologists per 100,000 people. An estimated 46% are in Buenos Aires, capital of Argentina. Argentine culture sees therapy as an important part to self development and positive health. Most people are seeking a specific type of therapy called psychoanalysis. It was founded in the 19th century to make use of dreams to uncover repressed ideas in unconsciousness and help patients gain new insights in their emotions and remain happy. Fact number 8. Argentina faced its worst time in 2001, December 2001 riots. This political instability brought five presidents in 2 weeks, means 14 days, the first in the world. The list of these presidents and their time periods are there on the screen now. I am also going to speech it. Fernando de la Rua. He resigned on December 20, 2001. Then came Braven Puetra. He took oath on December 21 and resigned on December 23. Next, Adolfo Rodriguez Sa, 23 December to 31 December. Eduardo Camano, 31 December to 2 January. The final, Eduardo Duhalde, took oath on to January 2002. 5 presidents in 2 weeks. Fact number 7. The Iglesia Maradona is a religion created by the fans of late Diego Maradona sir. It was founded by Hector Compemer, Alejandro Veron, and Hernan Ramirez on 30th of October 1988 in Rosario. Today there are 1,20,000 to 2 lakh followers of this religion. The rules of this religion on the Wikipedia page has been flashed on your screen now. Fact number 6. The highest and the lowest point in southern and western hemisphere is situated in Argentina. The highest point is Aconcagua, a mountain in the Andes situated in Mendoza province, Argentina. Its elevation is 6,960 meters, and the lowest point is a salt lake known as Laguna del Carbon, situated in Santa Cruz province in Argentina. Its elevation is minus 105 meters. Fact number 5. The highest temperature in the whole South America continent was 48.9 degrees Celsius. That was recorded in Rivadavia, Salta province, Argentina. It was recorded on 11th of December 1905. Also, the lowest temperature ever recorded in South America was minus 32.8 degrees Celsius in Sarmiento in Chubut province, Argentina on 1st of June 1907. Fact number 4. The Ferreto Moreno Glacier is the third largest freshwater source in the world, only after Antarctica and Greenland ice sheets. While most glaciers are shrinking due to global warming, it is a glacier that is expanding. Situated in Santa Cruz province in Argentina, it covers an area of 250 km square and is growing 2 meters a day. Fact number 3. Argentina is 8th largest country in the world with an area of 27 lakh 80,400 km square, of which 27 lakh 36,690 is landmass and 43,710 km square is water. It covers 1.8% of total landmass of the world. Fact number 2. Ushuaia, the capital of Tierra del Fuego province in Argentina, claims the title of the southernmost city in the world. It has an area of 9,390 km square and population of 57,000 residents. Its motto reveals that it is the southernmost city. Its motto is Ushuaia, end of the world, the beginning of everything. Fact number 1. The final fact. Argentina is credited of inventing the fingerprint recognition technology. In 1892, Juan Vocetic, an Argentine police officer, created the method of recording fingerprints. The same year, Francisca Rojas killed her 2 children and was found with neck injuries with her dead children. She blamed her neighbor for killing her children. While investigating, the police found a bloody thumb fingerprint on the wall. When it was matched, it was the Rojas' right thumb fingerprint. So Rojas was the first criminal to be captured by fingerprint recognition technology. So that's all for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Make that red button below gray and hit that bell icon so that when I upload any video, you would be the first to know that. Help me to grow as a YouTuber. Subscribing is absolutely free. Do it. So we will meet in a new video again. Till then, be awesome.